Hello and welcome to Cannon Bay. This is a quick layout update for you guys. This week there'll be a lot of updates. Bear with me if they do blur into one at stages. But tonight we fitted DSR footbridge. Played around with the resistance on the signal gantry just to get the lights a little bit more even as possible. But as you may have seen, we've been working on this, which is the signal box control panel, which my granddad has kindly very helped me build. So it lifts up in there. That's where all the gadgets and gizmos will live. So like the Hornby Select, the control board for controlling all the points, the signals, and possibly a light switch. Currently I've finished off the select testing all the lights, the cable trunking all the way down. I'm still yet to fit these Akira scale buffers, but we have done some detailing. So I've fitted the dummy point motors, relay boxes, and two just inside there to contact the signal box, and the TPWS grids, which are these things. So there's one on each section of track, and two, managed to hide them with the footbridge, but as you can see they're all slightly offset, and I was just got all the different size units that I'd be using on the layout so we could test the door functions. Sort of quite important. If you come around this side of the layout, you can just about see, we'll just about get away with it. The driver will have to go through the passenger doors when he changes ends, depending on what unit he's got. But yeah, the SR footbridge with all the lights working. I filled up, as I said, I'd fill up all the holes on the layout. So they're all now done. Grandad kindly went out today and bought the wood so we can do the back scene and put a front on it, just to make it look a bit pleasant, so we can put the layout sign up wherever it's disappeared to. But that is the layout side, which my dad made for me. My dad made this for me about a year ago now on his Cricut, which is the cutting machine that Everard Junctions uses, but we use it for making signs and Halloween props, which is going to go somewhere about there so it doesn't get in the way. But other than that, I haven't done a lot else. Thanks for watching. Welcome to us making a mess, making the front of the layout. So we've started off with very big thickness of wood and made lots and lots of mess, and I'll show you the front once it's done. And this is the bit for the back scene. Okay, this follows on from yesterday, whereas Cannon Bay, we were making these front sections. They've now all been painted all the way along. We've painted the end boards, and there is go. Also had an issue where I've changed some LEDs, or changed the resistor to get the resistance a bit brighter on the signals, and yeah, I blew up the LEDs. Too much voltage going through it. It's a quick idea. I'm still having a few issues with this area here, which is a bit of a pain in the backside, so I'm going to have to work out where I'm going to get some track from and relay the whole lot, which is annoying. Unless anyone else can tell me a way of getting around it without having to replace it, I don't know. This is some of my rolling stock. So I've got Centro Trains 150 206 or 222. Can't see the number. It's 202. Got 170 515, which I went to college on. I've got a 47 256 with the Acura scale wagons, which are really nicely detailed. And then I've got my sound Virgin Trains 57 312, which is now part of ROG with BBT. And yeah, had a go at fitting the buffer stops. Obviously I've had to stop because I'm ripping up track. Other than that, we've also fitted this backboard here. We are aware there is a slight gap between the two. Don't worry, that will all be worked out soon. Footbridge is now glued, as I can't remember where we left off. But yeah, cable trunk in as well, where it's going to go. Thanks for watching.